Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will run through the Xero product launch from February 2025 in relation to invoices. So starting on the dashboard screen, we'll go to Business Invoices. And we'll just create a new invoice, so click New Invoice. And what you now can do is upload a invoice documentation, like a PDF, into this invoice template to be sent to the client. But initially what you have to do is add the contact name in here. So we'll just choose the Abby and Wells. And then I will go over to my folders, grab the PDF document, and we can just hover over any part of this invoice now and drag and drop the file. What you can then do is you can either view the invoice that you've just attached, you can delete it using the bin button, and you can also now click on this Include with Online Invoice. And what that means is it will send this document as well as the PDF version of this invoice to the client at the same time. So for example, you might have a quote that you've created and then this is the invoice following. You might want to attach the quote to the invoice for that reason. And so that's why you might include it. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.